Hello friend, learn Java programming. Java is a popular general-purpose programming language and computing platform. It is fast, reliable, and secure. According to Oracle, the company that owns Java, Java runs on 2 billion devices worldwide. Considering the number of Java devices running Java, and the companies adapted it, it is safe to say that Java will be around for many years to come. This guide will provide everything you need to know about Java programming language before you learn it. More specifically, you will learn about features of Java programming, its applications, reasons to learn it, and how you can learn it the right way. Yeah, we have got subject. We start Java hello world. Okay. A hello world is a simple program that outputs hello world on the screen. Since it's a very simple program, it's often used to introduce a new programming language to a newbie. Let's explore how Java Hello World program works. If you want to run this program in your computer, make sure that Java is properly installed. Also, you need an IDE or a text editor to write and edit Java code. For that, check how to run Java on your computer. Java Hello World program class. Yeah, we have got class Hello World and public static void main setting args. And these must they must in your code. System out println hello world. This program's output is hello world. Okay, hello world. Okay. If you have a copied exit code, you need to save the file name as helloworld.java. It's because the name of class and file name should match in Java. Visit the page to learn why are file names in Java the same as the class name. Okay, when you run the program, the output will be hello world. Now, how Java hello world program works? Command / your first program. In Java, any line starting / is a command. Commands are intended for person reading the code to better understand the intent and functionality of the program. It is completely ignored the Java compiler. Applications that translates a Java program to a bytecode that computer can execute. To learn more, visit Java commands. Class hello world. In Java, every application begins with a class definition. In the program, hello world is the name of the class, and the class definition is class hello world parentheses starts parentheses and closed parentheses. For now, just remember that every Java application has a class definition, and the name of a class should match the file name in Java. Public static void main setting args. This is a main method. Every application in Java must contain a main method. The Java compiler starts executing the code from the main method. How does it work? Good question. However, we will not discuss in this article. After all, it's a basic program to introduce Java program language to a newbie. We will learn the meaning of public static void and how methods works in later chapters. For now, just remember that main function is the endpoint of your Java application, and it's mandatory in a Java program. The signature of main method in Java, public static void setting args. System out println hello world. The following code prints the strings inside quotation marks. Hello world. The standard output your screen. Notice, this statement is inside the main function, which is inside the class definition. Things to take away. Every valid Java application must have a class definition that matches the file name. The main method must be inside the class definition. The compiler executes the code starting from main function. This is a valid Java program that does nothing. Public static hello world, public static void main static args. Write your code here. Yeah, don't worry if you don't understand the meaning of class, static methods, and so on for now. Now, we will discuss it in detail in later chapters. Okay, please subscribe, comment, and like. Good day.